welcome back to my channel. It's Ashley here, and if you are new, hey girl, hey. So in this video today, I am just literally going to be sharing with you guys some of the stuff that I picked up from Hobby Lobby's 75% off sale. So my daughter is also actually watching Ryan in the background, so I'm like fingers crossed that you guys cannot hear that, because I turned it down the lowest that I could without her saying, oh my god, I can't hear. So I hope you guys can hear it. So anyways, like I said, I'm going to be sharing some of the stuff that I got from Hobby Lobby. So let's go ahead and get started. So most of the stuff that I got from Hobby Lobby are literally just picture frames and some like table decor stuff. I got them because when I do like staging furniture or just like staging something for my DIYs or something like that, I like to use home decor stuff. Duh. But mainly for like when I do my furniture and stuff, just to kind of stage it. And when Hobby Lobby has this sale, it's really good to kind of like stock up on like the pictures and stuff like that they have. So let's start with the first item. So the first thing I got was this cute little, it's table decor. Really small, really cute. It just has like a lemon on it, and I thought that was so cute. It was $2.49 and it's originally $9.99, and honestly if you get it when it's 50% off it's like $5, but still I got it for $2.49, so that's good. So the next thing I got was this clock. So the clock was $4.99, and I thought that this was a really cool looking clock, so I had to get it because I just like the gears, although it's like a faux gear type of look, but it's a cute little clock to have. So the next picture I got was this cute bird. I love this picture. It was $7.49, and I just love the colors of this bird. I love the little spots or dots in the middle of the bird. Like, it's just so cute. So of course I knew that I could stage this up. The frame is a little busted, and I really didn't pay that any attention, and they also had another one, so I could have like switched it out, but it's okay. So the next picture that I got was this one, and this is of like a succulent, and it's wall decor. So I got this one for $6.24. Definitely going to be showing you guys close-ups of these because like they are overexposed right now when I'm showing it like this. So I thought this picture was so cute. Love the pastel pink color and all that stuff. So this is definitely a cute picture. Okay, so the next thing I got was this cat. I love this cat, y'all. I'm not a cat person at all, but I just thought that this cat was so cute. He's so cute. He's so cute. I love the floral. So if you guys haven't seen my daughter's room makeover, like all of the animals and stuff in there have like these floral crowns, and I just love it so much. So of course I had to get this one. And this is not gonna go in her room, but this is cute, and I love the cat. It's really like I can't think of the vibe it's giving me. But it's giving me one. So the next thing I got was this llama. So I'm like a person that loves animals in pictures or photos or like stuff like this. Like I don't know why, but I just love it a lot. So I just got this llama. I thought it was cute, you know, something different. I like to kind of get like a variety of different styles and stuff like that, because you know when you're doing your furniture and everything, like they're always like different styles, and it's nice to just have a variety that you can choose from when you are staging your stuff. Before we move on, I just want to talk about my sponsor for today, which is Skillshare. If you don't know what Skillshare is, it is an online learning community with thousands of inspiring classes. There are so many things you can choose from, ranging from animation, film and video, fine arts, graphic design, you name it, it is on there. One class that I'm currently taking is still life photography, taught by Sean Dalton. If you guys don't know, I've been trying to up my photography skills, and I am thoroughly enjoying this class. Another good thing about Skillshare is that there are no ads, and they're always launching new premium classes. So I have a really cool offer for you guys, and the first 1,000 of my subscribers to click on that link down below in the description, you'll get a free trial of a premium membership so you can start exploring on Skillshare. So make sure you check that out. Click that link so you can get started today. So the next picture is this picture of this door, and I absolutely love this picture. very beautiful. The color of the door is one of my favorite colors. It's like a bluish, like a robin egg kind of blue. It's so pretty. I love the rusticness of the door because you guys know I love that stuff. And I also love like the cement, how it's like broken, and ooh, I love it. This is so me. Also, I like pictures like this too because I don't know about you guys, but I'm always like I'm a Pinterest fiend. If you don't follow me on Pinterest, I'll have my Pinterest down below. But I love Pinterest, and I always get like ideas, color combinations, and stuff like that from Pinterest. Love looking at pictures like this because it does give you like good color combination, picture type things that look good together, and I just love it. And I love this picture. I wish there was some more of these pictures, but this was the only one that I saw, and I just absolutely fell in love with it. And it was only $4.99. Okay, so that is all of the pictures and prints and stuff that I got from Hobby Lobby. I'm definitely gonna be going back, y'all. I'm not even gonna lie to you, but this is just kind of like a little binge of stuff that I got when I went there. And so now I'm gonna go to like the table decor stuff. I'm reaching for it, so I'm gonna show you. So the first thing is this little table decor. So I guess you can kind of like put things in there, maybe like in your kitchen or something like that. If you don't want to put it in your kitchen, you can definitely just use it to like stage, not stage, because I'm gonna use it to stage something, but like, you know, just okay, so no brainer, my memory was full, so I had to like delete some stuff and my camera turned off. Okay, so like I was saying, so you could put this like just to decorate, like if you have a built-in or something like that, it would be cute to put in there. Of course, me, I love this because it is a white color and it has this nice little bamboo top, and it's so pretty, and I just love it. This is La Cucina, so definitely kitchen, but you don't have to put it in your kitchen. You can put it somewhere else. This is so cute, love it. And funny thing about this, I have always been eyeing this one and the small one. And when I saw that it was $8.74, I snatched this up so quickly. I didn't see the small one in there. They just had this large one. So I might go to another Hobby Lobby to see if I can find the small one because I really love this set. Okay, the next thing I got was this, and I love this glass. Like I said, I've been obsessed with like anything glassware. I don't know why, but I am. And I just love this. I love the texture of it. Love the look. It's very different. It was only $3.74, originally $14.99. And again, if you were to get this one, it was like 50% off or something like that, or like $7. But still, I got it for $3.74. And I love this. I love it. The color is a little weird. I think I'm gonna keep it this way. I was thinking about changing it, but I think I may keep it this way, just so I'll have like some color in my life and not just like white and cream. Okay, so that's all the stuff I got from Hobby Lobby. So now I'm gonna share with you guys the stuff that I got from Marshall's, which this is clearance too. So this is like an all-around clearance video. So if you don't follow me on my other channel that I created, make sure you follow me over there. I'll have it linked up here and also down below. But I was telling you guys in the last video that I'm about to probably do like an organization video on either like my bathroom or my laundry room. Don't know which one yet. I'm pretty sure it's probably gonna be my bathroom, but I am gonna do the laundry room too. So anyways, or maybe my closet. Okay, I don't know, but we're gonna do some organizational stuff. So I got some of these storage containers because I've been eyeing them for the longest, and they finally went on clearance, and so I stocked up. Okay, I stocked up. So I showed you guys in that video on my other channel some of the things that I have already got, and they were just like these sets of like clear containers and stuff like that. And then now I went back and I got these bigger ones that I have been eyeing, like I said, forever, and they finally went on sale. So I'm gonna show you. So the first one is these. They're the bamboo, they're pantry lids, but you can use them for more than just your pantry, of course. But I love these. Again, the bamboo top. Love bamboo tops, y'all. They're like a thing. They are a thing. So I love that, and I love that it's clear. So I got this one. This one was by itself, but I do have like the ones that have like the set and stuff. So I got these. So this is the set of 2, and again, they're stackable. It says that they're stackable and stuff, and I just think they're really nice, and they'll look really good once you like organize stuff and put everything together. You can put labels on there and things like that. So I love the clear container ones, but I do have the ones that aren't clear too. So let me show you. All right, so then I got these as well. So I got 2 sets of these and love it. I kind of like these too. Okay, so I like the clear ones, but then I'm like, oh my god, you can like see everything that's in there. So when you do put your stuff in there, I feel like it should look like really neat and tidy. And with these, you can do a little bit like throwing some stuff in there. But I got these as well. Oh my god, I see that this is cracked, but that's okay because we could just turn it to the back and hide that. But I got these too, again with the bamboo lids. So this set was $12. And then the clear ones, I didn't tell you, they were $16, and then that one was $8. So then I also got these little multi-use organizers, and this one was $5.50. And then I also got the little spinning one, and this one was $4.50. So I was hoping that they had another one, but I just saw this one because I would love to have 2 of these. So I might go back to just see if, or go to a different one to see if I find one. But yeah, so that's all I got. I got all these storage containers. I love how they look. So I have a lot of storage containers like these. They're so pretty. I love these. Like, I love these. These are so cute. And then I got like these baskets too from Marshall's, and they were like $7.99 a piece, and I bought them and they were cute too. So y'all, I just been stocking up on stuff to just get organized because I'm not an unorganized person really, but it feels so good once you organize your stuff and you make it look good. So honestly, that's it. That is all from my haul and everything from Hobby Lobby, which I know I'm gonna be going back, but that's all I got so far from Hobby Lobby with their 75% off, and then also some of the stuff that I got from clearance on Marshall's. So make sure you go to your Marshall store if you like these containers and you go and stock up on them, because I'm pretty sure yours has these too. And they're not only at Marshall's, but I went to hold on. But I also found some at Home Goods too, and I have some more in my car, and I got some of the clear ones, so they're at Home Goods as well. And it's TJ Maxx, Home Goods, and one more, I think Marshall's. TJ Maxx, Home Goods, TJ Maxx. So TJ Maxx might have these too, so go check out TJ Maxx as well. So that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I don't know if I should say I hope this inspired you to go out and spend some money on buying some clearance items, but I mean, it's a sale. So but anyways, that's it for this video. Again, if you're not following me on my new channel, I will have it linked down below. I'll also have some of the other stuff that I was talking about linked to throughout this video, and I'll probably just have it down below as well. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.